Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at data types. There are two types of languages, dynamically typed languages, statically typed languages. Dynamically typed languages like Python do not require data types to be defined before the variables used, but statically typed languages like Java do require data types to be defined before the variables used. Now we'll be looking at what are the data types present in Java which can help you define variables in a much better way. Data types in Java are of two types, primitive data types, non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are of Boolean type and numeric type. Boolean type is Boolean, which is one bit of size and stores either true or false values. Numeric types can be character value or integer value. Character value is char, which is denoted by the word char in Java, is of a size 2 bytes and stores a single character or letter. Integral value can be of two types, integer, floating point. Integer, there are four examples. Byte, short, int, long. A byte is 1 byte size in Java. Description is that it stores whole numbers from -128 to 127. A short is of size 2 bytes. It stores whole numbers from -32,000 to +32,000. Integer is a size 4 bytes and stores whole numbers from -2.1 billion to 2.1 billion. Long are of size 8 bytes, stores whole numbers bigger than int. So it's used in cases where you want to store larger integers, but the int data type does not support really big numbers more than 10 digits. So you choose long in Java. Now floating point can be of two types, which is float and double. A float is basically of size 4 bytes and it stores fractional numbers, which is sufficient for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. A double is of size 8 bytes, stores fractional numbers sufficient for storing 15 decimal digits. Now, non-primitive data types. When you look at primitive data types, what are primitive data types is that they uh, specifies the size and type of variable values and it has no additional methods. Non-primitive data types are called reference types because they refer to objects. So non-primitive data types examples are strings, arrays, etc. String data type is used to store a sequence of characters like a name of a place or name of a person or something. And an array are used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. Now to declare an array, you have to define the variable type with square brackets. For example, string and then square brackets and then cars. An array and strings are basic non-primitive data types present in Java.